Hej with so first stage. Have you ever wondered how machines can mimic human intelligence? Yes, we're talking about artificial intelligence. The concept of AI is not a new one. Anarim Dai. It was born in the mid-20th century, a brainchild of pioneering scientists who dared to envision a world where machines could think. Today, AI is not just alive, it's thriving, and it's everywhere. It's in the recommendations you get when you shop online, the voice assistant that wakes you up in the morning, and the autopilot that navigates your car. There are different forms of AI too, like machine learning, where computers learn from data, and deep learning, a subset of machine learning that imitates the human brain to process data. So, AI is not just a futuristic concept, it's here, shaping our world in ways we might not even notice. Now that we know what AI is, how does it work exactly? Imagine AI as a super smart apprentice. It starts with no knowledge, but as it's exposed to more data, it learns and improves. The teacher here is an algorithm, a set of rules that guides the AI on how to learn from the data it's given. It's like a recipe, directing what ingredients to add, how much to stir, and when to bake. Let's dive a little deeper. AI often uses something called neural networks. These are inspired by our brains with interconnected nodes or neurons that process information. When you feed data into a neural network, it passes through these neurons, each making tiny adjustments to the data. This process is repeated over and over, and with each pass, the AI gets a little bit better at understanding the data it's been given. This learning process has a huge impact on various industries. In healthcare, AI can analyze medical images to help doctors detect diseases early. In finance, it can predict stock market trends. And in transportation, AI powers self-driving cars, helping them navigate busy roads. AI also uses a lot of computing power. It needs it to process massive amounts of data, run complex algorithms, and train neural networks. It's like a high-powered engine that drives AI's learning and decision-making. As you can see, AI is not magic. It's mathematics, data, and a lot of computing power. So, where are we heading with all this AI technology? The future of AI is incredibly exciting and holds limitless potential. Imagine self-driving cars that whisk us from place to place, reducing accidents and enhancing efficiency. Picture personalized medicine, where AI algorithms analyze our unique genetic makeup and lifestyle to prescribe treatments tailored just for us. AI has the potential to solve some of the most complex problems we face. It can help us understand our vast universe, predict natural disasters, and even combat climate change. But alongside these opportunities, there are potential risks and ethical considerations. AI technology, like any tool, can be used for good or ill. It's crucial that we navigate this future with care, ensuring that AI is used responsibly and ethically. We need to address issues like privacy, job displacement, and potential misuse of AI in areas such as surveillance and warfare. The future of AI is bright, but like any tool, it's all about how we use it. So let's quickly recap what we've learned about AI. We've journeyed from the dawn of artificial intelligence, understanding its basic concept and how it works. It's clear that AI is revolutionizing our world, from healthcare to entertainment, and its impact can only grow. Looking into the future, we anticipate AI's potential to create new opportunities and face unique challenges. Artificial intelligence is a fascinating field, and we're just beginning to scratch the surface. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and remember, the future is now.